Okay, so a couple of you have been emailing me saying you're not sure how to get onto your textbook work and also that you're struggling with the pages. So just a quick video to show you what to do. Now in your worksheet that you can see I'm showing here on the screen, you'll notice in the third sentence it says here you access this from your Active Learn account. So you need to go to that website. So what we're going to do, I've already got it open. Here's the website. Up the top you can see here's the address. So pearsonactivelearn.com. Just go to there and you'll get a page that looks something like this. Click on login. There you are. Now you've all had your login sent to you via email somewhere since we've been in lockdown. I've created a test account here that I'm going to log in as, so my appearance will be like yours. Now the other thing is yours will have a lot more textbooks down here than mine because I've just set mine up to only have what I need to make this video for you. And you'll be looking for one that looks like this. It says Key Stage 3 Maths Progress. You click on that. Now if you're Year 7, you go into Delta 1. If you're Year 8, you go into Delta 2. Now granted, some of the work in Year 7 does come from Delta 2, but you'll be told when and if you need to do that. So if it doesn't say that, just assume the work's in Delta 2. Same for Year 8, the majority of your work comes from Delta 2 textbook. If it's not in Delta 2 textbook, you'll be told because it'll be in the Delta 3, which you'll be given access to. But I very much doubt that will happen on here. As you can see, there is no Delta 3, so you'll get a worksheet if there's work that's not quite difficult enough here to challenge you. Right, so I'm going to go to Delta 1 as if I'm a Year 7. So I go in, if it was just, and it should come as a pop-up. Here we are. Right, I'll just bring this across. Sorry, I brought it up on my other monitor. Now I'm going to go back to the first page to show, and I'll show you why I'm doing this, because when it first comes up it looks like this. When it comes up like this, you'll see you've got all these. Now you'll see down the bottom, see how it's got I, and all that. When you go to your work that's been assigned to you this week, you'll see it says page 210. Right there, page 210. Now if I type in here page 210, well that's not what I'm after. Reason being, look down here in the bottom right of the pages. It says page 202. It's 210 in terms of pages from the very beginning, but page 1 typed in here doesn't have a page number there. So in fact you don't want page 210, you want as in typed in, you want page 210 in the bottom right hand corner of the pages. So you'll find if I type 210, it's only bringing up page 202 of the textbook. So you need to keep clicking along, and what you'll notice is, there we are, there's page 210, perimeter and area of compound shapes, which is exactly what you've been doing work about. Calculate the area and perimeter of compound shapes involving squares and rectangles. So lesson 2 says to go answer questions 7 and 8 from page 208. So again, on the online textbook, I am going to look for page 208 here on the page there, not the top digital page down on the bottom on the search bar. So, and there's 208, and there's questions 7 and 8, so areas of triangles. Does that match? There you go, calculate the area of a triangle. And the same for Year 8, when you go into that textbook, make sure you are doing the right work, that the work you are doing here matches kind of the title, the objective of what you're trying to do. If it's not, then you're on the wrong page. It's probably because this page number here does not match the page number on the book. That's what you're looking for, not this typed in digital one down the bottom. I hope that helps you, and if it doesn't, please drop me another email. Bye.